What's up everyone, my name is Fabzy, thank you so much for watching. Today we'll be doing the most famous Peter McKinnon B-roll challenge. He actually just uploaded this video last week Friday, so I'm like, hell yeah, I'm up for the challenge. This is only a 30-second challenge. I'm in London. Come on, let's go.